The luxury watch world is at a crossroads. Global economic turbulence, shifting consumer habits, and trade wars are shaking the foundations of an industry once dominated by Swiss giants. China, the former powerhouse of luxury demand, is stalling, while the U.S. grapples with tariffs and inflation. But here's where it gets controversial. The next big shift might not come from Europe or Asia's coastal hubs. Instead, a quiet revolution is brewing in India, a market many still underestimate. And this is the part most people miss. At the heart of this transformation is a company that's redefining what it means to be a global watchmaker. Titan Group, a name synonymous with Indian lifestyle brands, is quietly building a legacy that could challenge the status quo. But does Titan's rise signal a shift in the global watchmaking power dynamics? Or is it just a regional player? Let's dive in. India's luxury sector is in a golden age. Unlike saturated markets in the West, India's appetite for high-end goods is exploding. McKinsey and the Business of Fashion predict a 50% surge in ultra-high net worth individuals by 2028. With 100 million potential luxury consumers by 2027. By 2025, the country's luxury market could grow 15 to 20% annually, outpacing even the US and Europe. This isn't just a numbers game. It's a cultural shift. As Indian consumers grow wealthier and more sophisticated, their tastes are evolving. And Titan, a titan, pun intended, in the Indian market, is positioning itself to lead this charge. Founded in 1984 as a joint venture between the Tata Group and the Tamil Nadu Industrial Development Corporation, Titan's journey is a case study in strategic growth. From humble beginnings, it has blossomed into a $6.45 billion lifestyle empire with 12,200 employees, 11 factories, and 3,240 retail outlets. Its brand portfolio reads like a who's who of Indian fashion. Titan, Fast Track, Sonata, Tanishq, Zoya, and even Swiss-inspired collections like Zilis and Nebula. But the real story lies in its watchmaking ambitions. Titan's watch division alone sells 15 million timepieces yearly, more than the entire Swiss watch industry combined. Yet, this isn't just about volume. The company has been quietly building technical prowess. Early on, it partnered with France Ebosch for quartz movements and Citizen/Seiko for case manufacturing. But the true test of a watchmaker isn't in affordability, it's in complexity. In 2015, Titan launched its first mechanical movement, a 4 Hz 12-line caliber. By 2024, it unveiled the Jalsa Tourbillon, a limited edition masterpiece with an in-house flying tourbillon. This isn't just a watch, it's a statement. Titan is no longer content with being a mass-market brand. It wants to be a global player in fine watchmaking. Manohar G., Titan's chief manufacturing officer, puts it plainly. What started as a $12 million investment has grown into a diversified manufacturing network across 5 Indian locations. Our mechanical movement journey, the Tourbillon project, and in-house regulating assortments all signal India's emerging capabilities in fine watchmaking. But here's the twist. Titan isn't just building watches. It's building a future. Plans to produce critical components like regulating organs in-house could disrupt the traditional supply chain, reducing reliance on Swiss and Japanese suppliers. Is this the beginning of a new era for Indian watchmaking? Or will it face the same hurdles as other emerging markets? Only time will tell. As Titan's CEO notes, the brand's trajectory mirrors India's luxury evolution. As domestic consumers grow more discerning, Titan is responding with quality and sophistication, not just volume. The Jalsa Tourbillon, a 10-piece limited edition, isn't just a technical milestone. It's a cultural one. It signals that India is no longer a follower in the luxury space, but a contender. And with India's luxury consumption accelerating, Titan is a name to watch closely. Will it become a global force, or will it remain a regional giant? Share your thoughts in the comments because this is a conversation worth having. For more on Titan's journey, visit www.titan.co.in.